In this video, I will show you how to set the gear for the impression of the Red Army infantryman at the beginning of the German-Soviet War, or so-called Great Patriotic War. This impression is formed according to the instructions about how to set the gear, issued in summer of 1941. These instructions were made to regulate the ways of setting up the older types of gear and the new ones, which were issued at the beginning of 1941. Here you will see impression with older types of gear and new. So, this is the amount of gear which a Red Army infantryman was supposed to wear according to the instructions which were issued in July 1941. The amount of gear was pretty the same, but there were some additions, like a Red Army infantryman could wear Sesha 39 or 40 helmet instead of 36. Appeared new holster for flasks. Appeared breadbag, and soldiers could wear also a kitbag instead of backpacks. So, how we pack the backpack according to the instructions from 1941? The main difference between this packing and which was described in the previous video is that in 1941 appeared breadbag. So some stuff like cutlery and bags for food went away from the backpack and were packed into the breadbag. Also, the other difference is that it was not possible to carry the quarter tent on the bottom of the backpack because there were the breadbag. So, how it was packed in late 1941, how it was supposed to be packed in late 1941. So first of all, we take underwear and put it into the pocket in the backpack. I remind that the backpack inside has a spare pocket for underwear. Make it flat, and the towel also goes here. Also make it flat and close it. Then we put our hygiene kit into the right pocket, rifle cleaning kit into the left pocket, like this. Hop and hop, and close it. Then we take quarter tent, which is folded like this, and put it inside the backpack. Like this. Parts of the tent goes to the bottom of the backpack, and on the quarter tent goes other stuff like kit for cleaning shoes, some personal items like flashlight, sewing kit, and others. So then we tied it up like this and close it. After that, we attach the greatcoat in a roll here, here, became a little bit ugly, but still, and here. Hop. 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 The remaining carrying straps could be left here or could be put inside the backpack. It doesn't really matter where to carry them. I will just leave them here, and now the helmet. As you remember, there is a small frame for attaching the helmet. We put one part of the strap through the frame here and attach it like this and tightly as possible. Now it is ready. How we pack the bread bag? The bread bag we pack like that. Mess kit with bread and maybe other food goes to the left side of the bread bag, and to the right side goes the mug with 3 small bags for salt, pepper and tea, like this, and the spoon somewhere here. Tighten it up, close, like this, and now it will be attached on the waist belt. So now let's look how a Red Army soldier was supposed to wear his gear according to the instructions of July 1941. First of all, we take the waist belt. The main changes in the gear were that additional Mosin ammo pouch changed its place. Now it was supposed to be carried on the left side, not on the right side. Appeared new type of holster and appeared a bread bag. So here will be the left side of the soldier, here the back side, and here the right side. Now we need 1 ammo pouch, 1 additional ammo pouch, and carrying straps. On the carrying straps we need to find the left side. So left side is this one. We take our belt, put it from the first loop of the additional pouch, first loop of the ammo pouch, and then through the loop of the carrying straps. Then we put it through the last loop of the ammo pouch and last loop of the additional ammo pouch, like this. Then if soldier has a bayonet, we put the bayonet. After the bayonet, grenade pouch. Like this. Then on the back of the soldier must be the breadbag. So we take the breadbag, put the belt through the first loop, then we take the back side of the Y straps and find the rear side. This here we have the rear side, so the rear side will be there. Rear side must be to the rear side, like this. Then put it through the last loop. Then attention. A soldier could carry a flask in early holster or in like late or 1941 holster, like this. If a soldier had early holster, then after the breadbag goes this holster with flask, and then the shovel, like this here. But if a soldier had this cover 1941, then firstly went the shovel here, and then went the cover here, and after that we put from the first loop of the ammo pouch, then the last loop of the carrying straps, and the last loop of the ammo pouch. And now it is ready to be worn. I need to add that in case if a soldier had unified pouch holster for shovel and grenades, so this holster went on the right side, on the place of the shovel. So if you have a unified holster, just remember that like shovel is more important. So how did the Red Army soldier packed his items if he didn't have a backpack and he had only a kit bag, like this? So here we have all the items we need to pack. First of all, we must find the side which will be to the back of the soldier. This side is here. Why is here? Because the straps of the kit bag must bend over the backpack, because if we carry it like this, so the tension on the straps will tear them off. So the side of the back for the back is here. Now we will put it like this to make it more comfortably to pack it. So the back side is here. We start from our underwear and put it on the back side. Like this. Then on the top of it we put water tank. Like this. Now the back of the backpack is pretty soft and comfortable for carrying. After that, on the bottom we put parts for the tent. Then to the left of our backpack we put basket with bread, with bags for bread and other. And then we put our mug and other personal items. Kit for cleaning shoes, kit for cleaning rifle, personal items, and hygienic kit. After everything we packed, we tie it like this, and then like that. Make it like this. Hop. And then just in this way. Now we have it filled and we need only to attach the helmet. The helmet attaches very simply like this. That's it.
And that's how it looks like assembled.